Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I am always looking for ways to upgrade spaces in my home, and this mirror by Keonjinn has been an amazing upgrade to my master bathroom. I've always been a little hesitant ordering mirrors online, but Keonjinn did such an amazing job packing this mirror to ensure it would hold up during shipment. It was packed in a heavy-duty box with layers of thick styrofoam and corner guards for extra protection. The mirror was very easy to install, and I was able to do it on my own. The French cleats were super easy to level and screw into the wall, and hanging the mirror onto the cleats was even easier. They just clicked into place on the ledge on the back of the mirror, making it very safe and sturdy. And I really appreciated not having to struggle to line screws up to a keyhole mount, considering the mirror is pretty heavy. And peeling off the protective film was so satisfying. The 40 by 30 size is perfect for this space and really makes my bathroom look larger. And having a large mirror to use while applying makeup has been wonderful. The mirror is a 4mm thick tempered glass that's reinforced with a shatterproof film, making it super durable. And I love knowing that this mirror will last a long time despite it being in a space with a lot of moisture because of the rust-resistant aluminum frame. The sleek design of the matte black aluminum alloy frame is really beautiful and will add such an elegant touch to any space in your home. I am very happy with the size and quality of this mirror and definitely recommend the purchase, but that's just my point of view.